Let us study how to install MySQL 5.5 and Python MySQL connector 8.0 in your computer. First, you need to download the softwares. They are available free of cost. You can download them free of cost from the internet. For easiness, I have uploaded them into my blog. So first you can visit my blog roypolmca.blogspot.com. Click on home page, click on free softwares. Now first you can download MySQL 5.5.27.3. The size is 200 megabytes, so it will take some time. Anyway, click on this hyperlink. Now you can click on the download button, and after that you can choose download anyway. Click on this button and it will take some time. So anyway, it is already downloaded and saved in my computer. You need to download one more software, that is Python MySQL connector 8.0. The size is 6 megabytes. So you can click on this hyperlink. Click on the download button. Okay, this one, download button. Now it is already downloaded and saved in my computer. Now after that, you can select the folder that contains the downloaded files. These are the downloaded files. First you need to extract the files. Let me extract MySQL first. Double click on the file. Now click on extract to, this one. Now you need to click on OK button. Click here. Extracted. You need to extract the second file, Python MySQL connector 8.0. Double click on the file. Click on extract to. Click on OK button. That is also extracted. So the two extracted files are here. First let me install MySQL 5.5.27.3. I am going to install this one. So double click on the folder. Now this is your file, MySQL 5.5.27.3. So double click here. Click on yes. Again click on yes. Now first you can use this option, install MySQL products. Okay, so click here. Now here you can accept the license terms, so you need to enable this checkbox. Now click on next button. Now no need to go for any update. We are satisfied with the MySQL 5.5. So no need to go for any update. So you can disable this. It is already disabled. Or you need to enable this because we need to skip the updates. So enable this one. Click on next. Now I am going to install MySQL server. So you need to choose this option. Enable this one. Let the default path remain. No need to change this path. Click on next button. Now no additional requirements. Now you are in a position to install the software. So click on next. Now the following products will be installed or updated. Okay, so click on execute. Okay, now the following products will be installed or updated. Again you can click on next. Next option. Now here you should choose MySQL server. Okay, so choose server machine. Now you can disable the firewall. No need to enable this one. By default it is enabled. Let me disable this. Now you can click on next button here. Now you can enter the MySQL password, and this password is very important. This is the password that you need to type in order to start MySQL. So let me, it is case sensitive. Okay, let me type Nava, Nava. Repeat the password. So here also you can type the same password, Nava, Nava. Now after that you need to click on next button here. Now here you don't have to make any change. Windows service name, let the default name prevail, and here no changes. Okay, so click on next button here. Installation is going on. You can see the progress bar here. Okay, now you need to click on next button. Click on this one. Now the installation process is complete, so finally you can click on finish. So you have successfully installed MySQL. Click on the start button. You can see that MySQL here, and maybe you can open MySQL and check whether it is working or not. The password that you entered, Nava. Yes, so MySQL successfully installed and the version is 5.5.27. Now I am going to install Python MySQL connector. So let me open the extracted software. Yeah, so this is the extracted software. You can see that here we downloaded this from my blog and it is extracted. Double click on this folder. Now this is the file that you need to install, Python MySQL connector. You can read the name of the file. Okay, now double click on this file. You can close the window. Now click on next button here, next button. Let the default path remain. No need to change the path. Now you can click on that next button. Now here you need to click on this checkbox. Now entire feature will be installed on local hard drive. You can select this one, this. So entire feature will be installed on local hard drive. Now after that you can click on next button. Click on this one. Now you are ready for installation. Click on install button. Click on yes. Complete the MySQL connector. Click on the finish button. So now you can click on finish button. So MySQL connector successfully installed. Now let me open Python and check whether connectivity is working or not. So first let me open Python 3.6.7. Yeah, it is the script mode. Open a connectivity program. It is already saved in the computer. So D drive, class 12, Python, programs, a connectivity program, this one. Oh, okay. So this is the connectivity program, or maybe before that let me open a simple connectivity program. This is a simple one. Now you can run the program and check whether connectivity is working or not. So connectivity is working, errors are not there. This is the location of the object. Okay, so you have successfully installed Python MySQL connector.